Hello children, myself Shubha Patel Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 10 quadratic equation for 10th standard. In 10.4 exercise, third main question. 10.4 exercise, 10.4 exercise, third question is in this manner. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So you have to understand the statement. Read it twice the statement. So is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? So I am going to draw a rectangular grove, rough diagram, whose length is twice its breadth. So let the breadth be x and length it becomes that twice its breadth. Let a breadth be, a breadth of mango grove be x meter. Okay. Then length, its length it becomes that its length it becomes 2x according to the statement. Okay. Then area they gave. What is the formula to find out area of a rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here what I have taken here, area they gave. How much they gave area? If the area is 800 meters square, length is 2x and the breadth is x, then this becomes 800. This is equal to 2x square. I have to arrange according to standard form of quadratic equation. So first term is 2x square. I will take this side minus 800. This is equal to 0. So is it possible to design a rectangular field? They asked of this much measurement. So when we observe standard form of quadratic equation, it is here a value is 2, b term and the power 1 term is not there. So b value becomes 0. Then the c value is minus 800. Then we will check whether we can get the roots of this quadratic equation or what. So now if I use the rule b square minus 4ac, then substitute the value of b is 0, 0 square is 0 only, minus 4ac, minus 4, a value is 2, c value is minus 800. So we will come to know 0 square is 0 only, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are, 4 2s are 8 and 8 8s are 4ac, 8 8s are 64, 6 4 2 0. So now this is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac value I got it greater than 0, greater than 0. So then if the value is greater than 0, nature of roots are, therefore real distinct root exists. Real distinct roots we are going to get exist. Exist means, therefore real roots are there means yes, it is possible to design a rectangular field. So if roots exist, I will find out the roots then I can use the formula, I can use the splitting method. If I can use the formula method, children, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if I use this formula, then x is equal to minus b means minus 0 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. After simplification I got it 64,000 divided by 2a. A value is here 2a, 2 2s are 4. So substitute and simplify the answer. So x is equal to then 64 is the square number. 8 8 is 64. 80 it becomes plus or minus 0 plus or minus 80 divided by 2 2s are 4. So I got it like this way. So I am going to get distinct roots I am going to get. So I know now x is equal to, once I use it, plus 80 by 4 or x is equal to minus 80 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 2s are plus or minus 20, you get x is equal to 20 meter or x is equal to minus 20 meter. Always children will consider length of the field or length of the rectangular field, it should be positive. We will not consider negative value. So therefore, according to the question what they told for us to find out, I have to find the length and breadth. Therefore, breadth it becomes, let the breadth of the rectangular field we have taken x. So therefore, breadth of rectangular field it becomes then 20 meter. If the breadth is 20 meter, then length is equal to, length of this rectangular field is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 2x means 2 into 20, 40 meter I got it. Therefore, they asked, is it possible to design a rectangular field? Mango? Yes. Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible to design a rectangular mango. Okay, right on children. Once again I am going to explain now. Actually, so we have to check. See, now our cardinal question, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth if the area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth they asked. So let the rectangular field be like this way. We will draw the diagram. Let the breadth be x. Then according to the statement, length it becomes twice the breadth. Then area they gave means, what is the formula to find out the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Here length is 2x and the breadth is x. Substitute in place of length and breadth 2x and x. 2x square is equal to area they gave in the question 800 meters square, 800. So if I check to verify whether we are going to get real roots or not, then I convert it in the form of standard form of quadratic equation. I got the value of a, b, c, b term is not there, means b value is 0. Then I substitute in the condition b square minus 4ac to find out what type of roots I am going to get. So I got it after simplification 6400. This is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 children, so we know we are going to get real distinct roots. So by applying formula, I got the value of x as plus 20 and minus 20. Two real and distinct roots I got it. But this is a rectangular field. For rectangular field, length and breadth we are going to take it as a positive value. So I will take let the breadth be 20 meter. Then according to the statement, length it becomes twice the breadth, means 2 into 20 meter it becomes 40 meter. So length and breadth of the rectangular field I got it, means so yes, it is possible to design a rectangular grove children. Okay, in this manner you have to find out the solution. Okay, write down. Children, next fourth main question, is the following situation possible? If so, if it is possible, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in years was 48. So according to the question, is the following situation possible, they asked. Then if so, if it is possible, we have to find out the present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years they gave. So we don't know what is the age of those two friends children. So let x years, and another one friend, and another friend age b 1 years, 5 years. Okay. So then, when some of those two friends age they give 20 years. So then the second friend age it becomes then. Therefore, second friend, another friend age it becomes, that is y is equal to 20 minus x years. Okay, x years. Okay. Then 4 years ago, the product of their ages. 4 years ago, their ages it becomes, one friend age it becomes, that is one friend age 4 years ago means x minus 4 years. Another friend age it becomes, another friend age becomes 20 minus x minus 4 years, that is 20. So 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x years it becomes that. Okay. So then 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So now 4 years ago, the product of their ages means the product according to the statement x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to how much they give? 48. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is equal to 48 they gave in the statement. Now you multiply x into 16, 16x plus into minus, minus x square, minus into plus, minus 16 4s are 64, then minus into minus plus 4x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now we reduce to standard form of quadratic equation, children. Now first power 2 term, next power 1 term, next constant. So minus x square first power 2 term. Next you like terms you add it. 16x plus 4x is plus 20x. Then constant you observe, minus 64 and minus 48. Both are minus. Minus 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 it remains. 5 plus 6 is 11. This is equal to 0. So first term we want minus sign. So I multiply by minus sign. Then it becomes plus x square minus 20x plus 112. This is equal to 0. Now if I write according, if I compare with the standard form of quadratic equation, a value here 1, b value minus 20, c value 112. So now check now, b square minus 4ac value what you are going to get. b square is minus 20 whole square, then minus 4ac value, minus 20 whole square means c, 400 it becomes minus 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 1s are. So you got minus 48 as answer. This is less than 0. The value of b square minus 4ac I got it less than 0, children. So if I get it less than 0, no real root exists. It implies no real root exists. No real root exists. If no real root exists means, so then is the following situation is possible? No. Therefore, this situation is not possible. This situation is not possible. If this situation is not possible means we should not find out the ages of, we can't find out the age of these two friends. Okay children, so write down. So is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. So this is not possible, so we cannot find out their present ages. So according to the statement children, so those two friends age is 20, some of those two friends age is 20 years. Then let one friend age be x I have taken and one friend age b I have taken. Then according to the statement, it becomes x plus y is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 20 minus x. Then 4 years ago, their ages becomes less 4. So then I have simplified and I substituted and I multiplied. After simplification, I got it the standard form of quadratic equation, x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Compare a value, b value, c value, write it. Substitute in the discriminant value. So discriminant value I got it less than 0. If this value is less than 0, no real root exists. Therefore, this situation is not possible, children. Okay, children. Like this way, you have to understand the statement and you have to solve the sum. Okay, write down. Fifth question in this exercise, fifth main question is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth, they asked. So it is a rectangular park. So children, I will draw a rectangular park, the diagram of rectangular park, and the perimeter is equal to 80 meter. What is the formula? If this is length and this is breadth, what is the formula to find out the perimeter of the rectangle, children? 2 into 2l plus 2b. Perimeter is equal to 2l plus 2b. That is they gave. So here we gave perimeter of this rectangular park is 80 meter. This is they gave 80 meter. 2 in common if I take it l plus b. So then l plus b is equal to 80 divided by 2. So L plus B, I got it 40, 2 ones are 2 40s are 40 I got it. So now, so by applying what they had given, we have got it length plus breadth is equal to 40 meter. Then and area also they give 400 meter, the area of rectangular field. They gave area of rectangular field is equal to L into B. That is they give 400 meter square. So this is equal to L into B, L into B. So now I have to convert in the form of B or L I can convert. B is equal to 400 divided by L. So this you substitute, call this as equation number 2 and substitute in equation 1. So now you call this as equation number 1. Substitute 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Okay, then I am going to get. So if I substitute in place of B, 400 divided by L. L plus 400 divided by L is equal to 40. I take LCM. No number means is understood. L 1 is there here. So L square plus 400 divided by L. This is equal to 40. Cross multiplication you do it. Then we are going to get, after this step I am writing here, then your cross multiplication you do it, L square plus 400, this is equal to 40L. So now L square I am taking this term this side, minus 40L plus 400, this is equal to 0. Now it is standard form of quadratic equation, according to standard form of quadratic equation, but in the variable place x, here it is L, it is there. So now A, if I compare the standard form of quadratic equation, A value is 1, B value is minus 40, C value is 400. Now you are substituting the discriminant value to find out whether we are going to get real roots or not. So minus B square is B square is minus 40 whole square, minus 4, A value is 1, C value is 400. So now minus 40 whole square means we are going to get 1600. 4 ones are 1600. So I got 0. If discriminant delta is equal to 0, then what type of real equal roots we get? Real equal roots we are going to get. So then it is possible then. Therefore, it is possible to design a rectangular part. Therefore, then I can find out the yes, it is possible to design a rectangular path. Okay. Then I will find out if so, find its length and breadth. Then I will find out its length and breadth means I can use it the formula method and I can find out its length and breadth. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. This is a formula. Substitute now the values now. X is equal to minus b value is minus 40 plus or minus. Already I simplified the value of b square minus 4ac. 0 I got it, so directly I am going to substitute here 0. Then divided by 2 into a value is 1. Then x is equal to minus 40 plus 40 plus or minus 0 divided by 2. So once if you consider x is equal to 2 roots, you are going to get equal roots. 40 plus 0 divided by 2. R x is equal to 40 minus 0 divided by 2. So x is equal to 40 by 2. R x is equal to 40 by 2 only. So 2 ones are 2 20s are. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Therefore here x value I got it 20 meter. So if after getting the value of x 20 meter, then your L is there. Sorry, L because in the variable your L is there means I got the value of L. So this is L nothing but. In place of x L I take. Okay children, remember, so don't get confusion. In place of x variable L is there. So I got the value of L here. So L means length of this rectangular path. L the value I got means I can find out the value of b by substituting here. Substitute L value substitute in equation 2. In equation 2 if I substitute breadth of this rectangular path you are going to get 400 divided by 20, that is 2 ones are 2 20s are. So you are going to get 21. Breadth is also same only I got it. So breadth is equal to 20 meter only. Length and breadth are same here. Okay children? Okay. It is possible to design a rectangular path then. So I got it 2 real equal roots children. So therefore it is possible to design a rectangular path of this condition. In this way you have to read the statement. According to the statement you have to solve the sum. Okay. Practice maths daily. Write down children. Thank you.